What if I told you that you could create a high-quality professional video in just few minutes without taking several shots, hiring a team, or spending hours on editing? Sounds unbelievable, right? But that's exactly what CapCut's new AI Video Maker brings to the table. It's like having your own personal video production studio. And trust me, once you try it, you won't look back. Because this tool will blow your mind like never before. So before we dive into the magic, head straight to CapCut's official site. Then, hit that download button for the desktop version and follow the quick, guided steps to install it easy, right? And by the end of this walkthrough, you'll be glad you did. Once you have installed CapCut in your PC, go ahead and open it up. And super clean and intuitive interface will pop up with many exceptional features designed to get you creating immediately. All right, now comes to the fun part. Just click on AI Video Maker on the right side of screen and get ready to be impressed with its fast video creation process. You can start creating videos by clicking New Project. And here's where the magic begins. You can either paste in your own script, or if you're starting from scratch, just type in a topic, and CapCut will generate a full script for you, completely AI-powered. Pretty wild, right? The best part is that it doesn't just dump it all at once, it breaks it into bite-sized segments that make editing so much easier. You don't need to be overwhelmed, and everything is paced to match how real videos flow. Once your script is ready, now it's time to walk through on visuals. The AI helps you build your visuals. You've got options. Upload your own clips, choose from stock footage, or, this is my favorite part, just describe what you want, and the AI will generate images and videos for you. No searching through folders, no resizing or reformatting. Still, if you want to create personalized video to connect your audience deeply, avatars would be your best friend. AI Video Maker is offering 100 digital avatars and voiceovers. This is where CapCut really stands out. The cool thing is, they actually speak your script in a natural, human-like voice.
He felt sorry for him and started to take care of him. He brought him home and introduced him to his family.
Or you can upload a clip of yourself and let CapCut create a digital version of you that can narrate your videos. It's insane how realistic it looks. And again, all done on your PC. But let's be honest, you all know how captions often get overlooked, but not here. One more feature that will make your videos exceptionally professional and understandable. And this is the subtitles auto-generation. CapCut auto-generates subtitles for you and matches them perfectly to your audio. And you get tons of subtitle styles to choose from. So whether you're making content for Instagram Reels, YouTube, or a business presentation, everything feels on-brand and polished. And don't worry, CapCut didn't forget about music. This part's equally genius, the last, but most important is music. It's just as easy. Select a vibe. Chill, cinematic, upbeat. CapCut will pick background music that fits your content. You don't need to spend time hunting through royalty-free music libraries. It's all built in. By now, you've got a complete video script, visuals, audio, music, captions, everything. And the best part? You're still in control. The desktop version gives you full editing flexibility. You can trim, rearrange, adjust, and polish every piece of your project before you hit export. The AI helps you build fast, but you get the final say. And when you're done, you can export your video in high quality, in the format you need, ready to share anywhere. If you want the full suite of tools, the deepest control, and the smoothest workflow, the desktop version is hands down the best place to start. So still, if you don't download the software for your desktop, go back to that description, click the link, and download it now. You'll be amazed at what you can create in just one sitting. Now, if you're someone who prefers editing on the go or you're using a Mac, don't worry. The web version of CapCut's AI Video Maker is also available at www.capcut.com/AI-creator/start. And yes, there's also a mobile version, perfect for quick edits, social content, or inspiration strikes when you're away from your desk. Enjoy the full power of CapCut AI, whether script writing, visuals, avatars, subtitles, audio, export control, all in one place. Download the desktop version right now. It's the complete video creation studio you never knew you needed, right on your PC.